If you use Outlook as your email client, then I highly suggest that you utilize the calendar feature, because really it helps you to organize not just on your meetings but also on your tasks, your birthday, holidays, and a lot more. So if you are interested how Outlook calendar works, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, 1, 2, 3. So simply log in. By the way, we're going to use Outlook web, but if you want me to come up a tutorial for Outlook app, then just comment down below. So I'm going to try to schedule a different tutorial for Outlook app. So here, in order to access your calendar, simply click this calendar icon in here to see your dashboard, okay? So under the calendar page, you can see this calendar overview, all of your calendars and your schedules, okay? So in the calendar overview, if you click a specific date, for example, 19, you should able to see, there should be an options for you to see. So let me try that. So yeah, this one. So my day. So if you want this to see what is your overview for a specific date, simply enable this my day area and then click that one. So for example, for 29th day of September, these are all my meeting and my to-dos. I haven't configured my to-dos yet in here, but you can literally add your to-dos in this stuff to keep you on the loop. So that's how you can do that. And then, so Teams, this Teams area will be connected to your Teams chat account. So this Teams one is similar with Skype. So we also use this, but this is kind of beyond to our tutorial. So yeah, so just enable this part if you want to see the whole overview of your task or your meeting for the entire day. And then under this part here called My Calendars, these are all the calendars you created and shared by somebody, maybe shared by your team. So for example, this one, People's Calendar, this intern schedule is shared by my team, and at the same time, this calendar as well. And then here, this is my calendar. If you check here, you can also filter if you just want to see a specific day, like your entire day, or you want to see your whole week. So right now, like this is my whole week. And then if you've already created a calendar and if you want to delete your calendar, simply click this three dots here and click this delete icon. You can also change the color so it won't get like you won't get confused with your calendar thing. And then if you want to add a calendar, simply click this one, add calendar. You need to use Outlook as your personal account, or if you want to import your calendars from Google, then choose this one. Now, since I already have my own, and if you want to, I just forgot, if you want to create a blank calendar, choose this. Okay, so calendar name, for example, this one, I'm gonna put an icon. I want to put it on my calendars part, saved. And you can see here, there is Angie test calendar. Now I'm gonna delete this one, I don't need that. But yeah, so if you want to delete, if you want to share your calendar to someone, again, click the three dots, click the share information, type in the email address of the person you want to share it in your calendar, and hit the share button. So you also have ability if you want them to just edit your calendar or just view only status that are busy or something. So you just need to select what's your preferred reference in this part. So yeah, that's basically how you can do that. And I hope you find it valuable. So if you want to add a task into your calendar, you can just highlight a specific empty blocks in here. So you click that one. So for example, I'm going to create a HB task. So I'm going to create that. And then since this is a task, I can just disable. I don't want to add someone unless it is a meeting, and just keep it under Angie thing. Let me just maximize that. So you have these options. Yeah, I don't want to add any reminder. So just click never. And then if you want to be like, for example, a you're just watching a Facebook tutorial, then you can set something free because it's not a mandatory. You can always just skip the tutorial and do the most important part if there is an urgent task that needs to be done. Now, this HB HubSpot newsletter directory landing pages, it is important, but it's not really super like urgent. So I'll just put it tentative there. And for the category, you can also put something here like that. And once you're done, so simply save it. So it will be automatically put it in your calendar. Now, if you want to adjust the time, maybe you need more time on this task, just drag it over. So if you can see here, like actually this gift branded logo, it should be supposed in here, but she want me to come up with additional version. That's why I stretch it out to more hours. That's why I stretch it out. So that's basically how you can do that. And oh, by the way, if there is a sequence of like meeting and maybe that you're no longer using that, you can click it and then right click and then click the delete and then click the all events in the sequence. So basically, this is a daily morning meeting. If you want to delete this sequence, instead of clicking this event, click the delete and click the all events in series. So all of this series of meeting will be deleted, but I don't want to do that, of course. So yeah, that's basically how that works. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to message me or leave a comment down below. Thank you.